20th of October. Appears we had a frost while we were going to Florida. We've got 4 troughs left, so I'm going to go ahead and trim back these 3. We'll save the one on the stand for a video later, but we'll trim these back.
Okay, so these that we're gonna harvest one today. Cooper's my helper. The one right behind him was planted on May 1st. It's October 20th. We've been getting over 90 pounds in some of these, so we'll see what we get today. We're just planted on mulch, and the potatoes love growing in it as well. So we're going to pick those out first, then we'll open the trough and just kind of keep track. Okay, Cooper, we're going to lay the potatoes in the pots really soft. Don't throw them because they can get bruised. So start on the other side over here. And let's start kicking them out of the ground there and putting them in the pots, and then we'll open up the trough, okay? And Mimi's going to come help too.
What, this side first?
Uh-huh.
So let's get all the stuff out of the ground first. Right behind you, Coop. Just put them in that gray pot. Can you tip that toward me so I can see? All right. Good, thank you. You should be able to just step on that, the pipe on the side, and it should just fall down. Right where you are, buddy. Just step on it, right? Nope, down there at the end. Push down on it, and then it'll fall out. There you go. Same here. You get underneath that little bracket and then pull out. There you go. You want to pull on that, Cooper? Just pull. Okay. You start digging. There's one for you. All right, don't throw them now. Just set them in there gently. You want to put it down here? Let's start a pot down here. Alright, so I just measured it. This batch of potatoes comes out to 106.25 pounds. Now, to be fair, what we did was we pulled it out of here plus the mulch between these two. So about half of what was in here came off of that one, and the other half here, obviously. It was about 20 pounds total that came out of the mulch. So 106 minus 10, we're right around, you know, good 95 pounds out of the actual growth coming out of one of these, even though it spread out and did some of it in the mulch around it. And that's the perspective of what it looks like in terms of volume. It's always surprising to me that is all in there. Several of them 3-4 pounds, maybe 5. None of them are punky, all solid all the way through. We never have that issue even on the biggest ones. So we've got one more here, and then we did an experiment up on a stand just to make it easy. So we're going to see what it's like harvesting, dropping down a side and having to put soil back up in there, but I expect to see about the same amount of potatoes out of there. So from May 1st to October 21st, 20th, and here we are with about 95 pounds attributed to one trough, almost 10 pounds per square foot of grow area out of the trough. So there we have it.